Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Joyashree Lipsina from Computer Science, uh, Data Science Department. Today, I discuss the topic RFM analysis. First, what is RFM? RFM stands for recency, frequency, and monetary analysis. What is recency? Recency, how recent the customer the last purchase, and frequency, how many purchases have been made frequently. The customer frequently purchase the document, garments, etc. And monetary value, what is the value of the purchase? In RFM analysis, uh, it is a marketing analysis tool, and it is identify the firms based and customer based on the nature of their spending habits. It what is why RFM? RFM is it is the predictor of the future, and it is the segmentation is quantifiable way to distinguish between best and worst customer. RFM is such a quick in RFM recency, frequency, monetary analysis is a quick descriptive way to segment a marketing database on the purchase of the customer behavior, and it is a statistical and the productive model. One of the in case of we ranking the score rank the customer in three categories, in which one is recency, another is frequency, and last one is a monetary analysis. So in case of this is the example. This is example which is in case of recency. Assigned 6 to 8 letter codes for time segments appropriate. We write here A is equal to 0 to 3 months. This one. We here RFM analysis. We use the in case of RFM analysis, we use the tools Excel, CRM system, and marketing analysis platform. In case of this is the Excel is the basic tool for calculating and analyzing RFM scores, and CRM system is the advanced customer relationship. In case of the CRM system, here we use the here where it is used. It is used in the advanced customer relationship management tools that can integrate the RFM analysis. And last one is the marketing analysis platforms. In this platform, it is the platforms of analysis and customer segmentation capabilities. Here we rank the customer in case of 1 to 5, better the number and better the result. If we get 5 point, then the result is the better. In case of recency, in this is a recency, customers, response, revenue. This all are how in this way we write. But in case of first we sorting the sorting frequency and recency and monetary analysis in descending order. In case of frequency, we write this is the example for a simple 1.1, 2, 3, and 1 into where some new customer. In this case, someone is a new customer and another is the frequently customer and other type of customer is the regular customer. Then in this type, yes, they can this is the behavior which is if special treatment for regular customer and special treatment of regular customer, and then it is treat another treat another way. And in case of frequency plus recency, we write in this way in the Excel sheet. And RFM calculation, how we calculate the RFM. This is always in the RFM analysis supports RFM analysis supports the business adults in 80% of business and from the 20% of customers. If here we character 3 character 5 4 3. This means 5 for recency, 4 for frequency, and 3 for monetary analysis. First, all of them R, F, and M are in descending order. This is the 555. If the values is 555, this is the better than the lower values of 313. There are 1, 2, 2, 5 total segments created. This is another example. If it's 555, it is in this case recency is 5, frequency 5, monetary is 4. Then we write here 554, and here 553. We write here 553, 545, 545. In this way, 533. This is the better result is the 555 is the best score, and here it is 554. These all are combined in a RFM values. Recency, frequency, and monetary, these all are combined in a RFM values. Life stages for RFM model. There are 4 stages. First stage 1, this is a stage 1 low value. This stage 2 is a high value, and stage 3 is a peak. This is a falling potential, and the last one is a stage 4 is a falling. The stage 1 is a customer are one-time buyers. In this stage, customers are one-time buyers with positive expectancy, and stage 2 is a customer are multiple buyers with positive expectancy, and third stage is a customer are multi buyers with negative expectation, and fourth one is the customer buyers with negative expectancy. The expectancy is equal to recency or monetary. This is based on the monetary or recency. This is based on the recency or monetary. RFM life stage. There are 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. Stage 1 is the tires, and stage 2 is the buyers, and this is the high value but falling potential, and it is the low value falling potential. This is the RFM life stage. Why company use RFM analysis? RFM analysis helps companies decide which customer to give selected offers and promotional items. In this case, companies use the RFM analysis. And companies can even use it to target lost customer and give them incentives to purchase certain items. It is also identify the minimum losses. Customers spend low dollar amounts in small quantities, or it is a process of companies to find the way to increase customer spending. The practical application of RFM analysis. It is a email marketing campaign, or it is a develop of the program and reward the high frequency or high value of customer. And another is a specialty to recent and frequent or high spending customer. And fourth, another is it is also the RFM analysis identify and re-engage the inactive the customer by offering them special promotion based on their past purchase behavior. This is the practical application. All of these are the practical application of RFM analysis. The strength of RFM analysis. This is such a companies have metadata that can be used for target marketing, and another is we can offer incentives to middle scoring customer to increase their purchase, and also it is such an analysis to analysis is quick and easy to interpret. Marketing budgets such will be focused on customer who are more recent, more frequent, and speed and spend more purchase. Then we conclude my lecture that the RFM is a RFM analysis that efficient, effectively segment the customer based on their purchasing behavior, allowing business to identify high value customers and tailor marketing strategies accordingly. And it is examining how recently and frequently customer make purchase, and and how much they spent to purchase the garments and another electronics gadget, etc. In case of in case of companies can target promotion, improve customer retention, and optimize resource allocation. RFM analysis provide actionable insight in to enhance such a customer to relationship management, increase sales, and boost overall profitability by focusing efforts on the most valuable customer segments. Thank you.